Hey everyone, welcome back to Lesson 2 of Mastering Regular Expressions from Beginner to Pro with Regex 101. Last time we dipped our toes into Regex by matching simple text like caat and got familiar with the awesome Regex 101 tool. If you missed it, check it out, link in the description. Today we're diving into the core of Regex, literal characters, metacharacters, and how to escape those tricky special symbols. By the end you'll be matching digits, dots, and more like a pro. Let's jump in. Alright, let's start with the basics. Literal characters. These are the simplest part of Regex. They match exactly what you type. If I write hello in my Regex, it looks for that exact sequence. H preceded by E, preceded by L, preceded by L, preceded by O. We saw this in episode 1 with caat. No tricks, just plain text. But Regex isn't just about matching exact words. But what if you want to match something more flexible, like any character or a digit in a phone number? That's where metacharacters come in. They're the secret sauce of Regex. Let's hop into Regex 101 and see them in action. Let's start with one of the most powerful metacharacters, the dot. Or in Regex, the dot matches any single character except a new line by default. Think of it as a wild card. Let's try it. I'm typing CT here. This means match a C, then any single character, then a T. Now let's test it with this string. Hit enter and check it out. Regex 101 highlights caat, cot, cut, cxt, and c1t. Why? The dot matches any single character between the C and T, so A, O, U, X, and even one work. Notice it doesn't match CT, the space C space T. The space counts as a character, but it's still just one, and it won't match something like CAAT because that has two characters between. We'll cover that with quantifiers later. Look at the explanation panel on the right. It says match C literally, match any character except new line, and match T literally. The dot is like saying, I don't care what's here, just give me something. Let's move on to another metacharacter. Next up is the /D metacharacter. This matches any digit from 0 to 9, perfect for things like phone numbers or dates. Let's try it. I'm typing /D in the regex box, just that it matches any single digit. Here's our test string. Run it, and wow, Regex 101 highlights every digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. That's because /D matches each digit individually. What if we want to match, say, 3 digits in a row? That's for quantifiers in the next episode. For now, let's try a messier test string. Run /D again. It matches 4, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. The digits in 42, 30, and ABC 1, 2, 3. It ignores letters and other characters. The explanation panel says match a digit 0 through 9. There are other metacharacters like /W for word characters and /S for white space. We'll get to those later. For now, /D is your go-to for numbers. Now here's a tricky one. What if I want to match a literal dot, like in an email address? Since the dot is a metacharacter that matches any character, we need to escape it with a backslash to match it literally. Let's try matching.com in some email domains. I'm typing /.com. The backslash tells Regex to treat the dot as a literal dot, not a wildcard. Here's our test string. Run it and matches .com, and it matches .com and in domain.com and website.com, but not .org. That's because we're matching the exact sequence .com. Let's see what happens without the backslash. Now, with just .com, it still matches .com, but it would also match something like xcom or 1com. If they were in the text, let's try it. See? It matches xcom too. The backslash keeps us precise. Escaping works for other metacharacters too, like asterisks or question marks. We'll see those later. Time for you to get hands-on. Your challenge, write a regex to match a dollar amount, like $5.99. You need to match a $sign, a digit, a dot, and 2 more digits. Since the $sign and dot are special, you'll need to escape them. Pause the video, head to Regex 101, and try this test string. Note, you probably won't be able to write one regex that matches all of the test strings. What pattern matches $5.99, $10.50, and $99, but not 1.23.45? Hint, use slash for the dollar sign and dot and slash for digits. Drop your regex in the comments. I can't wait to see your solutions. Let's recap. Today we learned about literal characters which match exactly what you type, like hello. We explored meta-characters, like the dot, for any character and /d for digits. And we saw how to escape special characters with a backslash, like backslash, for a literal dot. Plus you got a fun challenge to match dollar amounts. Next time we're diving into quantifiers. Things like asterisk, plus, and character n to match repeated patterns, like one or more digits, or exactly 3 letters. It's going to level up your regex game, so don't miss it. Subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated. If you enjoyed this, give a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how your challenge went. See you in the next video.